Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hindi ebook before it's gone.
नमस्ते, हिंदी पॉड 101.com में स्वागत है।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Prerna. Nice to meet you. Welcome to HindiPod101.com's Hindi in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Hindi. In this series, we're going to learn basic Hindi expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Hindi. There are only 2 sentences you need to know. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Prerna. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Namaste. Then say मेरा नाम, then your name, and then say है. Please repeat after me. Namaste. मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है. Finally, say आप से मिलकर खुशी हुई. Together we have Namaste. मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Let's take a closer look at the first sentence. The first word is Namaste. Namaste in Hindi is equivalent to hello, which can be used at any time of the day. Next is Mera. The word Mera means my. This is a way to refer to yourself, which can be used by both men and women. Next, we have Naam. The word Naam means name. Then you say your name. And finally, we have hai. Hai is attached to the end of the sentence and literally means to exist. In the first sentence, we have the construction Mera plus Naam plus your name plus hai. The structure of simple Hindi sentences is different from English. In Hindi, the word order is subject, object, verb. The second sentence we have is आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई can be used by both men and women. It means nice to meet you. It's used when meeting someone for the first time. आप से मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now it's time for Prerna's points. Indian people don't generally shake hands. You're better off using the Namaste gesture. However, in a business situation, you might want to use a handshake. Shaking hands is more common in big cities where Western customs are more familiar. Do you know how we say thank you in Hindi? You'll learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. See you then.
What's up everyone? Welcome to HindiPod101.com. I'm Anuj Khurana and today we are going to learn how you can respond if someone asks you that how are you? So let's begin. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. Or another way is मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm okay. How about you? मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. So if you ask someone that how they are doing and if they reply मैं ठीक हूँ, so to answer to this, if you are also doing good, it can be मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I am also good. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. This is a different sentence which we can use. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. If someone asks you how are you and if you're not feeling good, then you can reply to it like this. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? Okay, so another way of asking someone is that how are you is हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? मैं बढ़िया हूं. I'm okay. Or another way to reply to this is मैं बढ़िया हूं. I'm okay. मैं बढ़िया हूं. I'm okay. Or I'm doing great. मैं बढ़िया हूं. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. So if someone asks you how you're doing and if you want to thank you them, so you can reply to them like this. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. This can be used in context of replying or appreciating to them that they have asked you about your wellness and you want to thank them. धन्यवाद. Thank you. If someone asks you that how you are doing and you want to reply to them by thanking them, so you can just say धन्यवाद. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Thank you. और आप? And you? So if someone asks you how are you and if you want to ask them in the same way in Hindi, so you can say और आप? And you? और आप? And you? Okay, so these are the different kind of replies which you can use or which you can answer someone if someone asks you that how you are doing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Kindly subscribe to our channel which is Hindi Pod 101. You can also visit our website which is hindipod101.com and you can find many more such videos over there. I'll be back with many more such video lessons. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Namaste.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो ठीक है.
Once more with the English translation.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है?
How's your mother?
वो ठीक है.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है?
listen to it again.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है?
This Hindi sentence literally means, your mother how are, but it translates as, how's your mother in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
वो
state of well-being.
है.
This Hindi sentence literally means, he, she, state of well-being. Are, but it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
वो ठीक है. वो ठीक है.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
बढ़िया बढ़िया
fine,
ठीक ठीक
so-so,
बहुत ठीक नहीं बहुत ठीक नहीं
not good,
ठीक नहीं ठीक नहीं.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो बढ़िया है. तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो बहुत ठीक नहीं है. तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो ठीक नहीं है.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "How's your mother?"
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, "Great"?
बढ़िया. बढ़िया.
Say, "She's great."
वो बढ़िया है.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो बढ़िया है.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
बहुत ठीक नहीं. बहुत ठीक नहीं.
Say, "She's so-so."
वो बहुत ठीक नहीं है.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो बहुत ठीक नहीं है.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
ठीक नहीं. ठीक नहीं.
Say, "She's not good."
वो ठीक नहीं है.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? वो ठीक नहीं है.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hindi ebook before it's gone.